Lawmaker was denied access into the clerk of court's office because he was carrying a concealed weapon, one that has sparked a controversy between the Sarasota County Sheriff's Office and the chief judge. SNN's Ben Bobick has more.
Senator Greg Stubbe was denied access to the clerk of court's office because he was carrying his concealed weapon. Sheriff Tom Knight and the Sarasota County Sheriff's Office stood with him with what they believe is their constitutional right.
We think he's correct that there are areas where the security was too broad, and we've since pulled that security back in to be in compliance with not only the statute but the Second and Fourth Amendment.
Colonel Hoffman has served as the general counsel for the sheriff and plays a big part in this ongoing impasse. After 12th Circuit Chief Judge Charles Williams sent an administrative order to return the deputies to the screening station, the SCSO stood their ground.
We informed him that we thought it was just intrusion on the executive branch of government and actually judicial overreach in what he wanted us to do in terms of the security.
Another concern is Statute 790.33, a board preemption statute concerning firearm regulations, one the SCSO feels puts their deputies at risk.
Individual deputies are personally liable. The sheriff could actually be removed from office, and they have to pay for all of their attorney's fees out of their own pocket. So there's a lot of exposure there on an individual deputy.
The sheriff's office sent over a letter to the judge Monday morning on what they plan to do next regarding this constitutional crisis.
We're going to file a writ of certiorari in the Second District Court of Appeals and try to appeal it. We wanted to put the court on notice that we're seeking that, so we're not trying to unnecessary delay here. We're trying to get this matter resolved.
Reporting in Sarasota, Ben Bobick, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
And in a late afternoon announcement, Chief Judge Charles Williams will allow a higher court, the Florida Second District Court of Appeal, to resolve his constitutional impasse with Sheriff Knight over the issue of deputies working at screening stations at non-courtroom facilities operated by the court.